Made popular recently on TV, NutriPure has launched its latest fat-burning supplement, Moringa Pure. It's the perfect combination of nutrient-rich moringa leaf and fat-busting Garcinia fruit, said a NutriPure spokesman. The main ingredient, moringa, is known as the miracle tree in many cultures and regarded as the most nutritious plant in the world. The amount of nutrients in moringa is staggering. For example, it contains 5 times more vitamin A than a carrot and 7 times more vitamin C than an orange. That, combined with its effectiveness in weight management, regulating blood sugar, boosting energy and overall health, one can really see why it's called the miracle tree. Now, the second ingredient of Moringa Pure is Garcinia. It's a pumpkin-shaped fruit that grows in Africa, Southeast Asia, and India. It provides a powerful 1-2 punch by blocking fat production and simultaneously reducing appetite. These ingredients will surely make Moringa Pure the hot supplement for the new year.